What's up, Gene here. Welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to invest $500 in the stock market instead of buying the brand new PlayStation 5, which is the PS5. Now, if you're new to this channel, we talk about real estate investing, personal financing, and investing as a whole. So please go ahead and subscribe, and also do me a big favor and hit that thumbs up button so you can support this channel. I would really appreciate it. Now, before I invest the $500, I'm gonna tell you guys why it's so beneficial to invest in the stock market. Now look, I'm not telling you not to buy a PS5, but if you're going to buy a PS5, why not just invest your money in Sony? You like the company, just invest in it anyways. And investing in the stock market, in that instance, your money can grow, it can compound, it can make money for you. That is one of the reasons that you should invest. And another reason that you should invest is because it's never been easier to invest. It has so many great apps out there that you can invest. Like for myself, today's video, I'm going to be using Robinhood straight out of my phone. You can do that also. And just to get you guys a kickstart, if you click on the link down below on my Robinhood, you can get a free stock. So you can just start with a free stock and see how it is, make money. So that's one of the other reasons that you should invest in the stock market. Another reason also is good to invest in the stock market because it's fun. I remember when I first started with Robinhood, I was looking at Apple. I love their products, so I was like, I wonder how much it will cost to invest in Apple. So I did my research, went on there and invested on Apple. Investing in the stock market can really be fun. Now let's get to the part where I invest that $500 in the stock market instead of buying a new PS5. Now I know that the PS5 has two prices. One is going for $399 and one is going for $499. So if you have that $399, you can go ahead and invest. And I encourage you guys to do this challenge with me also. And hopefully I give you guys an update in 3 months. Now, I was investing before. I had sold my shares due to the fact that I sold my shares to pay off some debts. Shout out to Dave Ramsey, because it really didn't make sense to me before because I had debts. So now that I free up some of the debts, I can properly invest and just start having fun with it. You know, the rule is you have to buy at least 2 shares in Sony. Then after that, you can just invest in the stock that you want. So Sony is going right now for $75.07. Currently the market is closed at the time of shooting this video. They're not giving any dividends back. For the most part, it looks like it's pretty steady. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy 2 shares of Sony. So the 2 shares is going to be for $150.14. Now also, if you guys want to add the games in here, also you can go ahead and invest the amount that you was going to invest in the games, just to have fun with it. All right, like I said, the market is closed right now, so I'm buying 2 shares of Sony. Now I'm gonna buy some shares in Apple. You guys don't have to buy the shares in Apple. You can invest in whatever company that you want to. I love Apple, so I'm gonna invest in Apple. And another thing too, I always hear you guys talk about Tesla. So Tesla right now is $420. So I always see videos of how good it is to invest in Tesla. we ain't there yet, Tesla. So, cause Tesla like $422. So, sheesh. So I bought 2 shares of Apple for $231. And Apple does provide dividends of 70 cents. Basically, dividends, if you don't know what that is, they give you like 70 cents back. So that's a good thing, you know. I always hear people talk about at&t also. They say at&t is a good stock to purchase. They're not really low. It's $28.70. But they do provide a dividend of $7.22. So that's really good. Now, buying the stock is not really get rich quick scheme. So it basically takes like patience. So like I said, your money compounds. So I'm gonna buy some shares in at&t. Right now I got $99.79 available. So let me invest that in at&t. Okay, so that's it for my investing. So I encourage you to do this challenge with me and let me know. Comment down below what companies that you would invest in if you were doing this. Also, I would really want to know. I would really appreciate it. If you know any other company that I should invest in, please comment down below. I really appreciate it. I'm not telling you to not buy the PS5, but just be wise with it. If you're gonna buy the PS5, why not buy some of Sony? Buy some of the company itself, because if you just buy the PS5, you're just giving your money away and you enjoy your entertainment where you're not really making any money, doing just an exchange. That's it for the video. Please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button so it can help this channel grow. I would really appreciate it. Until next time, peace be with you.